and one of the few speakers slash presenters that you'll meet in your lifetime that while they're speaking, they're still in classrooms. So my world is on Wednesday and Thursday. Do you guys have, from where you guys, have you heard of the Goddard schools? It's like a franchise chain. There's like 500 of them around the country. So I teach something called Yogarati, for those that weren't in the class yesterday. I teach Yogarati, which is yoga and martial arts, in 3 preschools in New Jersey where I'm from. So Wednesday morning, Wednesday afternoon, and Thursday afternoon. I'm in 3 different schools. I don't have my own kids. I got a dog. That's all I need because I like my weekends free. But people say, like, don't you want to have kids? I'm like, I got 120 of them. I've been in some of these schools for about 10 years where I'm on the 3rd brother going on and the 2nd wife or whatever. So it's, oh, sorry, so you get what I'm saying. So I'm actually on the floor rolling around with these kids, and you can go on, like I'm going to show you later how to get to my YouTube page where just you're going to have a lot of resources and information. And then you can also have like Yogarati videos that you can play. It's all free and you can show it to the kids. So like I want you to, and the reason why I'm doing this whole entire thing is because I want you to get understanding that that voice in your head is going to start making, or it's already telling you stories, things like, this isn't going to work, you don't know my kids, blah, 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 blah. Okay? So the fact that I'm still on the floor, rolling around with kids, doing sun salutations, being silly, I understand the technology